The solution for this example, you can see this is a very long data set. Doesn't matter, it's in a table. Go to data, get it into PowerQuery. So even though it's that long, PowerQuery has no problem, brings it in. We now need to transpose it. So let's just go straight to transpose. We discover, oops, forgot these items here. We haven't got the date. So let's just switch that off, undo it. First tell it that these must be part of the data. So under home, go say use headers as first row. So we've now got it in here. Then we can go to transform, transpose. That's better. It's looking better. But now this row here must become our headers. So we're going to go to home, use first row as headers. And now very quickly we've gone from what is not particularly useful, especially for things like VLOOKUP and that, to something that's a lot more useful.